Bread, roti, is something that every person lives for and earns for, which is eaten daily at home and also made. But do you know how millions of rotis are prepared daily for government school children in today's time? If not, then come along with me, and without any delay, let me begin. Also, learn how this became possible. For this, the first step is to take your finely ground flour. A large quantity of flour is used here. This flour is poured into the machine. Here, you can see that every worker is wearing gloves, masks, and specially designed shoes for this work. Now, a large amount of water is added. As soon as the water is poured, the kneading process starts inside the machine. After adding water, the softness of the dough is checked, and as the dough gradually softens, pure desi ghee made from cow's milk is added. This ghee is not only beneficial for children's health but also ensures that the dough doesn't stick to the machine. A large amount of desi ghee is used here. All the desi ghee has been added to the machine. Now, the dough is about 90% perfectly kneaded. It will be kneaded for another 2 minutes, after which it will be taken out. You can see here how uniquely this is done. The dough is perfectly kneaded and ready. Next, it will be transferred to a large stand. For this, the machine is tilted and turned on again, and all the dough is collected in a big container. Any dough that falls is not used at all. Now, this kneaded dough will be placed on a large machine. Here, any dough that gets wasted automatically mixes back into the dough and comes out from the bottom. You can see a large roller here. The dough comes from the back, moves upward, and then flows forward from the bottom. A white strip ensures that the dough is evenly spread so that the rotis can be made soft and perfect. Here, you can see that dry flour is evenly applied to the dough. Now, with the help of this large roller, perfectly round rotis will be made. Making them by hand is not easy at all. My mom can make them, but if someone asks me, I end up making a map of India instead. As the rotis are formed, they move forward, and any excess dough is not wasted. It goes back into the machine to be reused. Here, you can see perfectly round rotis. After checking, they are sent forward. For cooking, there is a large machine that prepares fully cooked rotis. It is said that fully cooked rotis are the healthiest. This machine automatically cooks the rotis evenly. They come from the top, get cooked, and are sent downward. You might be thinking, what about the misshapen rotis? Even the machine is handmade, so some mistakes happen. Those imperfect rotis are fed to cows, and the rest are sent forward to be coated with desi ghee. Yes, desi ghee is added to the children's meals. Pure desi ghee flows from a tap and is evenly spread on each roti. You might think the excess ghee is wasted, but let me tell you, there's a large container below where all the excess ghee is collected. Nothing goes to waste. Now, our rotis are perfectly round and ready for our little children to eat. With this, I'll see you in the next video.